and welcome to Skill 3, the Move tool. Now the Move tool is what we use for, well, as it says on the tin really, for moving things around. Now it lives up here in the toolbox at the top. It's the top tool, and if you hover over it you can see that it's got a keyboard shortcut of V, so you can either go and click on the tool to activate it, or I'll just click on another tool. If you press the V key it will activate the tool for you. So if you like keyboard shortcuts, the V key is the keyboard shortcut for the Move tool. Right, now what we've got to do is pick the image that we want as our base image, and this is the one on which we're going to put all the other images. Now the one I've selected for this is the black and white one, which is this montage5.jpg. So if you just scoot over, hover over that montage 5 tab and click on it, it'll come to the front. And this is the image that we're going to use to put all our other images on. Now if you look down here in this bottom right hand corner in the layers panel, you'll see that we've got a background layer, and that is the layer that we're going to put everything on. Right, okay, well let's pick one of the images. Let's say we're going to go up and I'm going to click on the montage 1 tab, and that's going to bring this image to the front. Now I've got the Move tool, and you can see it's got a little pointer and a little cross there, you can see on my cursor. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click and hold my left mouse button down anywhere in the image, and then I'm going to drag, and I'm going to keep my finger on the mouse button, and I'm going to take it over the top of the montage 5 tab, and I'm just going to pause for a second, and then you'll see that the montage 5 will come to the front, so we'll be able to see it. And I've still got my finger on the mouse button, I've not let go, and now I'm going to drag back into the image and then let go, and you'll see that the Flying Scotsman image here, this close-up, will appear. And if we look in the layers panel, we'll see that we've now got a layer above the background layer. And I'm going to rename this by double clicking on the layer name, and I'll type montage 1. Then I'll click to accept it. Now we've got the Move tool. You can see I've still got the Move tool active, so now I can click and I can drag because the layer is active, and I can move this round. And I'm just going to leave it just there. Okay, now let's try that again, but this time let's do it with montage 2. So I've still got my Move tool, so I'm going to go up and click on the montage 2 tab, and the montage 2 image will appear for me. And you can see it's now gone lighter, so this is the image that I've got selected. Still got the Move tool, so I'm going to click and I'm going to drag, and I'm going to get it over that tab, wait till it comes to the front, drag it back and let go. Exactly the same process, and then I can move that around, and I'll just leave it there, it doesn't matter where it is, we'll be sorting that out later. And now if you look in the layers panel, you can see that we're building up now a set of layers. We've got a layer 1 and we've got a montage 1. Well, I'm going to double click where it says layer 1, and we'll call this montage 2, and then I'll click to accept that. Now at the moment if I click on this image it will move it, and if I click in this image you'll see that it will change which layer is active, so I can move that one. Now if this doesn't happen, just go up to the tool options bar at the top and make sure that there is a tick in auto select, and then whichever one you click on it will let you move it. Okay, we've got 2 in there, so the next one we want is montage 3, so I'm going to go to montage 3 and click on it, and then again I've got the Move tool, I'm going to click and drag it over the montage 5 tab, wait for a second, drag it back and then let go, and here now I can move around. I've got my montage 3, and look at the layers panel, we've now got montage 1, montage 2, and I'm going to rename this now to montage 3. And we'll now click on montage 4 tab to bring that to the front. And I'm going to click on it and drag it over the montage 5 tab, drag it back, and then let go. And we've now got 4 images. So we've got montage 1, montage 2, montage 3, and I'll now rename that one montage 4 and click. So we've now got all 4 images on top of our background image, and it's covering it up a bit. So what we need to do now is to resize these images, so we can move them around and put them in a nice configuration, but so we can actually see what's going off in the background as well, to make a nice finished montage. And to resize things, we need to transform them, and what we're going to do that in the very next video. I'll see you then. Bye for now.